Hi friends! Welcome back to Rapid Quiz World. Today, you'll find hidden numbers, letters, and emojis. You have just 10 seconds for each puzzle. Subscribe for more fun challenges, and let's see how many you can find. Ready? Let's begin. Test number 1. Find 46 among the 64s before time runs out. Start now. Fantastic! Test number 2. Can you find the hidden D within the given time? Go! Great job! Test number 3. Can you find the heart among the different emoji before time runs out? Start now! Nice catch! Test number 4. Spot 83 among the 38s before the timer ends. Your time starts now. Well done! Test number 5. Find the hidden K before time runs out. Go, go, go! Awesome! Test number 6. Can you find the number 75 before the countdown ends? Start now! Brilliant! Test number 7. Can you spot 29 among the 92s in time? Your time starts now. Excellent work! Test number 8. Spot the hidden R before the clock stops. Look carefully. Go! Amazing! Test number 9. Find the orange among the apples before time runs out. Start searching. Good job! Test number 10. Find 71 among the 17s before the timer ends. Go! Fantastic catch! Test number 11. Can you find X within the given time? Start now. Super sharp! Test number 12. Can you spot the heart among the hearts before time runs out? Your time starts now. Great spotting! Test number 13. Find 58 among the 85s before the countdown ends. Go, go! Nicely done! Test number 14. Can you spot the hidden Q before the timer stops? Start now! Brilliant catch! Test number 15. Final test. Find the number 99 among the 66s before time runs out. Give it your best shot. Go! You nailed it!